life should always move on the way this tide is moving. So, welcome to our very special vlog, which represents the Goa and a very luxurious stay. Stay tuned with the video till end. I'm sure you will definitely love it. I'm sure Goa सबको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Who don't wants to be in Goa and want to explore the same? Even I would love to, and I have been also multiple times. So this one is one of my favorite trip. So yeah, I'm sharing my entire experience of Goa with you all, which was so very beautiful. I hope you also will like it, and maybe this video will help you to explore the same. So let's begin the journey from Bangalore to Goa. So I traveled by road to this journey, and yes, I travel in rainy season, so it was all rain around. But yes, yet it was very beautiful experience. All greenery around, clouds, and yes, I just loved it. We are somewhere on the Ghats. It took us around 12 hours to reach Goa. So friends, if you are ideally starting any journey from Bangalore, you should always prefer to start late night, especially it is on weekends. So मेरा भी जो ये journey था ये weekend का ही था, so I started bit late and मुझे उतना ज़्यादा traffic face नहीं करना पड़ा था. So yeah, it took me almost 12 to 13 hours to reach Goa. So here it is, a very luxurious stay, which is ITC Grand Goa, which is in South Goa. So this is how these people have welcomed us with a mala made up of beads. And this is the inside view. It was really very nice, very beautiful. So they had welcomed us with a welcome drink, which was coconut water. So I'm just heading towards that way. It's all rainy around. This is one of the part of the lobby where you can just sit and hang around, relax, have this beautiful view of the lake. है ना ब्यूटीफुल? आई एम श्योर देखते देखते आपका भी मन कर रहा होगा कि काश मैं भी यहाँ पे घूम कर आऊँ. So this is the swimming pool view. I know you guys are waiting me to take you all towards the room, and yes, room was absolutely amazing. I'll soon take you there also. It was so huge and lush green. So now it's the time to enter to the room. finally I got the check-in thing done. So here is our luggage, which was already there, and this is the entire bedroom, which was so amazing. It has a very beautiful balcony view. So outside you can see there is a river flowing. And this is my balcony. I wish I would have never come back from this place. It was that beautiful. And this is the bathroom. And we had this private pool, which you can use it. Also, there is this open bathroom. I'll just take you there. So you can see the view, how it is. So here is the open bathroom with all the taps, and it's completely safe. This is all about the room. Now it's the time to go for beach tour. Let's go. So beach was pretty far away from the room. You really have to walk for almost 5 to 10 minutes. But yes, it's within the same property. So yes, you don't have to go out of the property. But yes, entire view was amazing, so it doesn't bother you much to even walk around. Keep walking. Yes, continuously we are just walking, still waiting to reach the beach. And finally the deck, which is finally we will take us to the beach, is here. And looks like we are about to reach, and this sand is here is the sign that yes, we have reached to the beach finally. And I can see a red flag because it was raining and there were high tides, so yes, we had to be very safe. And the beauty is here. Wow, just love this. It was so clean. I couldn't see anyone around even. And this is the night shine, how it looks like the entrance in the night. So tonight we have a gala night. So we'll get back to the room quickly, get ready for the gala night. So all this is on my way, getting back to the room. And I'm ready for the gala night. We had some guests over there who presented very amazing performances. At the end it was a DJ party, so yeah, it was really a lot of fun. And that is it. The next morning we left from the hotel premise back to Bangalore. My balcony and the hotel and the lush greenery. I'll definitely miss all this. Bye bye.